Most of our students here are students with goals. They want to achieve big things and they have big dreams. And I think what they get here is a community of like-minded individuals who want to achieve to their fullest potential.
Blyth has a very flexible schedule. Each teacher is very invested in the goals of their students.
I'm able to focus on my studies as well as quadmesters, so I'm only focusing on 2 classes at a time in order to ensure that my grades are as best as they can be to reach my final goal.
We're able to offer many different ways for students to achieve their credits. This is really attractive to families of high-performing athletes and other students who require a little bit more flexibility to accomplish their academic goals.
The teachers work so hard and they put a lot of effort into what they do. They'll adapt to your learning abilities and help you succeed further on.
I feel like I learn a lot more from hands-on learning than just sitting down and listening to someone talk.
It's a very hands-on environment, and the teachers are great about balancing that with the schoolwork.
They're going to feel like they're part of the school very quickly. It's a comfortable place to be in, but it's also a good, challenging learning environment as well.
I feel very relaxed here. It's much more personalized to your liking, and you can get much more time and attention from the teachers.
Everyone helps each other, everyone interacts with each other. There's always something new to learn.
These small class sizes give me the opportunity to spend individual time with each person in my classroom on a daily basis.
If you want somebody that really cares about your education and cares for you to succeed in school, this would be the school for you.
It's just a lot more engaging, and the teachers make it really comfortable. You feel at home.
I used to go to a public school in elementary. I was always more in the bottom half of my classes. I didn't really believe in myself at that point because I hadn't really tried. I'm 15 years old, but I've taken 2 grade 12 science courses, and those are 2 subjects that I'm very interested in, but at any other school I would never be able to look at this material this early.
Mistakes are definitely encouraged and valued, and we like to talk about them as they come up, because often the reasoning and the critical and creative thinking skills that went into making that mistake are more valuable than just getting the right answer in the first place.
There's more opportunities for you to learn visually and see how things work.
Experiential learning is at the heart of what we do. All of our classes have some component of experiential learning in it. It allows our students to really identify the things that they care about, that they're most passionate about.
There's no question of, well, miss, when am I going to use this in real life? Because we show them when they're going to use this in real life. We actually use it in our classroom.
I love my teachers, I love everybody here, and I love being here.
I've been here for 2 years and it was probably the best decision I've ever made.
I was really scared the first time I came here because it was so different, but different's good sometimes.
Seeing a student grow and progress through the years, that's the most rewarding thing about my job.